It's mine, whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Or fire you desire, my rock and maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now I know if you watch my channel regularly, even if you just watched the last one, you already know that I already did a video on these. But as you can see in the thumbnail, there's been some changes. And there's also been some changes of heart and mind. Since I threw my Volt laces showed up today, that's why I didn't do the on foot and the review video, because I was waiting on these and I wanted to see if it made any drastic difference or not. And in my opinion, it did. I'm just saying, y'all let me know. Oh, that lighting, y'all ain't gonna catch it, but it don't matter. Oh, there it is. There it is. Anyway, before we get into that, if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. Subscribe to the channel. The road to 8K by the end of 21 is still in full effect, and that's what we're rocking with. But anyway, I need to know how y'all feel about this. Am I ODing? Did I go too far with the Volt? Did it not change how you felt about these sneakers at all? I feel like these Volt laces really changed the sneaker for me. I was on the fence before I got them. Even when I got them in hand, I think I gave them a 7 out of 10. But this definitely bumps them up a little bit, man. This is a definite upgrade. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below how y'all feel about the Volt laces. Should I try the orange? Should I go sail, black, whatever? But I think that I'm going to rock with the Volt. That's what I did in the on foot. So I'm going to stop rambling, and I'm going to let y'all enjoy the on foot portion. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. How do y'all feel about the lace swap? I think these are a go. OV!